Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Today, we dive into the U.S. economy's outlook for 2024 and where smart investors should focus their attention. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's dive into the roller coaster ride of the U.S. economy. Fasten your seatbelts as we unpack the resilience, the slowdowns, and the future projections. You're watching In 5 Minutes, and this is your economy snapshot. Picture this: the world is grappling with a pandemic, economies are tumbling, but wait. There emerges a beacon of resilience, the U.S. economy. Post-COVID-19, we didn't just recover, we soared, achieving a robust growth of 5.4%. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. But every story has its twists. Come 2022, we hit a speed bump. The growth rate dipped to 1.9%. What happened? Well, it's a cocktail of factors. On one hand, we've got the Federal Reserve playing the tough guy, hiking up interest rates to tame the inflation dragon. On the other, global drama unfolds. The Russia-Ukraine conflict shakes up the world stage, sending economic ripples across the globe. These aren't just plot twists, they're real-world challenges shaking the very foundations of our economic growth. So, what does this mean for you, the viewer? It means the U.S. economy is like a seasoned boxer taking hits but standing strong. It's an economy that's adapting, evolving, and showing resilience in the face of global economic upheaval. Next up on In 5 Minutes, we're tackling a topic that might just get your heart racing: the fiscal challenges and the long-term outlook of the U.S. economy. It's a journey into the future filled with twists and turns. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Imagine standing on the edge of a financial cliff. That's where the U.S. could find itself in the coming decades. The looming giant? Our debt-to-GDP ratio. By 2046, experts predict this ratio to skyrocket beyond 200%. Picture this: for every dollar of economic output, we have $2 of debt. It's like a financial thriller, and we're the main characters. Envision a future where the U.S. leads the charge in manufacturing, where new technologies are not just buzzwords but real tools driving economic growth. From robotics to AI, from green energy to advanced materials, these aren't just gadgets and gizmos, they're the building blocks of a robust economic future. By embracing these technologies, the U.S. isn't just sidestepping fiscal challenges, it's leaping towards a future of prosperity and innovation. It's an exciting time to be part of this transformation, and every one of us has a role to play in this economic epic. And that, dear viewers, is the fiscal cliffhanger and the technological hope of the U.S. economy. From daunting debt ratios to the bright prospects of manufacturing and tech, we're on a journey of transformation. Stay tuned for more insights, and remember, in the economy of tomorrow, it's the bold and innovative who lead the way. You're watching In 5 Minutes. Hit subscribe and join us as we uncover more economic secrets. Gear up for a deep dive into the powerhouse of the U.S. economy, the manufacturing sector, with a green twist. This is In 5 Minutes, where we bring the future to your screen. Get ready to explore how manufacturing and clean technology are reshaping our economic landscape. Think of the U.S. economy as a giant engine. At its heart, the manufacturing sector. Yes, we've seen a dip in its contribution to the GDP, but don't be fooled. This sector is like an unsung hero, quietly powering America's economic machine. And now, it's getting a high-octane boost. Enter the scene legislative superheroes like the Inflation Reduction Act. These aren't just papers and policies, they're catalysts for change. We're witnessing a tidal wave of investment flooding into manufacturing, and it's not just any manufacturing, we're talking clean, green, and lean. Imagine streets lined with electric vehicles, factories humming with energy-efficient machinery, skies clearer with reduced emissions. This isn't a dream. It's a reality being forged right now in the U.S. Clean technology is more than a buzzword, it's the new frontier of economic competitiveness. Electric vehicles? They're not just cars, they're symbols of a revolution, a shift towards a greener economy. And the U.S. is at the steering wheel of this transformation. Every electric vehicle rolling off the production line is a victory lap for American innovation and a step towards a more sustainable future. But why should this matter to you? Because this surge in clean tech manufacturing is reshaping the job market, igniting innovation, and positioning the US as a global leader in the green economy. It's a win-win-win situation for the economy, for the environment, and for job seekers. And there you have it, the exciting world of manufacturing and clean technology, where innovation meets sustainability. This is more than just economic growth, it's growth with a conscience. Stay tuned to In 5 Minutes for more insights into how these sectors are driving us towards a brighter, cleaner future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your front row seat to the future of the US economy. So, where should investors put their money? The trends point towards clean technology and manufacturing sectors. With substantial government investment and growth potential, these areas are ripe for investment. Additionally, look out for companies adapting to new technologies and sustainability standards. As we brace for 2024, the US economy presents both challenges and opportunities. By staying informed and strategic, investors can navigate these uncertain times. Remember, these are just guidelines, and it's always smart to consult with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching In 5 Minutes. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like and subscribe.